ground beef, beautiful. Spice it up with Italian herbs, plov spices. Make a nice patty out of it. Mix everything. Olive oil on the hot pan. Patty in, cook for 3 minutes. Cut the bun. Let's toast our homemade bun, like so. Onions, cut mushrooms. Cut up mushrooms and add them on the pan with the onions. Flip the patty. Beautiful. Now cut the cheese. Put the cheese on top of the hamburger patty. Spice up the onions and mushrooms as well. Mix them up nicely. Now add the egg. Look at that. Cover with lid, cook for 3 minutes, turn off the heat. Cut tomatoes. Toasted buns. Mayo. And top it up with some spicy mustard. It's a lot of sauce, so let's split it evenly on the both sides of the bun. Parsley goes in. Wow, look at that. Steamy, delicious. Build the sandwich. Tomatoes go in. Now add the mushrooms on top of them, and with the fork, easy, add the onions on top. Now look at that. Melted cheese patty goes on top. Now build it with the egg carefully on top. Cover it with the bun. That's it. Look at our beast. Beautiful homemade cheeseburger long ways. Let's try it. Oh my god, so yummy, juicy, tasty and delicious. Help me out, like, share and subscribe, my friend. Support.